Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another dump cake using peaches, so stay tuned. Thank you for staying tuned. So this is a very simple recipe. The last one I made for you had cherry pie filling and cream cheese. This does not have any cream cheese. You can't get any simpler than this recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 9x13 pan, and I'm just going to do a little spray so nothing sticks. And I have my oven preheating to 350, so we're ready to go once all this is done. So I have a very large can of peaches, and these are in light syrup. You can use them in their regular juice if you like, but this just will give it a little bit of sweetness. So I'm just going to dump this whole can, do not drain it, juice and all, in the pan. I'm going to make sure they are distributed across the pan. If you want to cut these in smaller pieces, you are welcome to. I think this will be fine. We'll have some big slices in our cake. Next, we're just going to use a box of either your choice of white cake mix or yellow cake mix, just the dry mix. I've already opened this up, so I'm just going to distribute this over my peaches with the juice. This is very much like a cobbler. Let me get it out of here. A very easy, simple cobbler. Okay. So we've got that, so I'm going to use my spatula just to kind of spread it out a little bit. Next, I melted 2 cups of butter, which is about a cup, 2 sticks. So I'm just going to pour it over the top of my cake mix as evenly as possible, because you want it all over. This is going to give it that nice buttery crust. Okay, so I'm going to use my spatula just to make sure there are no dry spots on my cake. And this is going to turn out a very golden, buttery crust. All right, this is ready to go in the oven for about 30 minutes or maybe a little more, but I'm going to try it at 30, and if it's golden brown, it's ready. Otherwise, put it in 5 to 10 more minutes. So I'm going to put this in the oven, and then I'll be back to show you how it turns out. All right, so we baked this at 350 for about 35 minutes, and it turned out beautifully. It's been cooled off. That's why I'm handling it without any oven mitts. You will see there were some dry patches that didn't get covered with butter. That's why you want to try to make sure the butter gets everywhere. However, this is not going to affect the taste of this cake at all. It's still going to be wonderful. So I'm going to spoon it out. Now you can serve this with a whipped topping, with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's all up to you. But yeah, this is just a scoopable dump cake, and it looks like a peach cobbler. And let's give it a taste. It doesn't need anything else, but a scoop of ice cream would really be good on it. This is amazing. So if you like this recipe, I'm going to show you some more dump cake recipes using different fruits. So I hope you will stay tuned. Till the next one. Bye.